Right, I'm back and it's Monday morning and this video will probably be hitting your news feeds about 7 AM. So good morning to you, welcome to another week. So let's have a look to your week, shall we? Do you know what your lunch is going to be later on today? Do you know what dinner is tonight? You may very well be having your breakfast right now. Do you know what your dinner is going to be for the next few days? Have you got a fridge that's fully stocked of food? Do you know what days you're going to be exercising? What time of day you're going to be exercising? What exercises you're going to be doing? If the answer to all of these questions or some of these questions is then ask yourself this: how the hell do you expect to see success in your program if you don't have a plan for your week? I can guarantee you going forwards into this week that your program is potentially going to start off okay and then it's going to gradually decline over the course of the week because you don't have a plan in place. You don't know what your nutritional strategy is going to be for the week. You don't know what your exercise is going to be for a week. You're just going to wing it and hope for the best. Let me tell you something. If you do what you've always done, you will get what you've always got. So if you want to see results, you've got to do something different. If you don't know where all of those things are going to be, then you are going to fail. What you need to do is sit down this morning, if you've got time, or later this afternoon. You can start a diet on Tuesday, believe it or not. Get that pen and paper out and write down your strategy for the week. Look at your diary, plan out your workout times, plan what your breakfast is going to be, what your lunch is going to be, and have a rough idea of what your dinner is going to be. Look ahead to the coming weeks and plan, because let me tell you something. If you know when you're exercising, if you know when and what your next meal is going to be, you are going to stay on track. If you have a plan mapped out, it's a lot easier to stick to a plan than it is to just kind of ad-lib one as it goes along. Great for a night out. Some of the best night outs I've had have been absolutely spontaneous. But when it comes to achieving your weight management goal, yeah, you need a plan. Don't forget, folks, you can stroll along to this little button over here and click share for me. It means that this lovely video pops up on all of your friends' nudes feeds as well, and they go, "Oh, my friend liked this, I might like that too." And that would be fantastic, because my mission is to help as many people as I possibly can, and I don't know why I've suddenly chosen to stand here like Iron Man. My mission is to help as many people as I can. Have a good day, folks.